Today we're going to look at laws of indices. When we talk about index notation, it is a way of shortening the product of two numbers. Now, if you have a number, let's take for example, you have 3 raised to power 2. This 3 is called the base, and then 2 is called the index. So we call this index notation. I'm going to introduce you to 9 laws of indices. This forms the foundation of your understanding of indices. 9 laws. The first is called the multiplication law. When you have, for example, 3 raised to power 2 multiplying 3 raised to power 4, because they have the same base and they are being multiplied, you are going to add the power. So you will pick one of the base, 3. And then you add the power. This is called the multiplication law. So this becomes 3 raised to power 2 plus 4. And that will give you 3 raised to power 6. So this will become 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay? That gives you what the answer will be. Now, we have 2 raised to power 9 divided by 2 raised to power 3. We call this the division law. Same base, 2, you have different powers. The law states that we are going to subtract the power. So you subtract the smallest from the greatest. So this will become 2 raised to power 9 minus 3. Division law. So this will become 2 raised to power 9 minus 3 is 6. So this will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So whatever the answer is, you have it there. And now we call this the product law. This is product law. Okay? Now this law states that when you have a base and then an index raised to a certain index, so this will become 2 raised to power 3 times 4. So the powers multiplies themselves. So you're going to have 2 raised to power 3 times 4. This will become 2 raised to power 12, because 3 times 4 is 12. Of course, this will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your answer comes right there. So we call this power law. Power law. Okay? Number 4 is called a product power law. You can see 3 multiplies m multiplies n. We'll stop here for today. I want you to solve this. Put your answer in the comment section. We'll come in our next class and then we'll continue this. I have a lot of questions to solve to make you understand indices. Thank you.